Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the extension and granting only the permissions you need. This prevents overreach. Once done, pick the exact page or domain you will scrape and sign into any accounts first, because logged content often differs. Make sure to prepare a short URL list or sitemap so you limit scope and avoid accidental overload. Now open the extension panel and create a new project. Name it clearly so you can return to it later. Now you focus on capturing data. Use the selector tool to highlight elements and test extraction on 1 to 3 sample items, because visual changes break fragile selectors. Next, configure pagination and timing. Set 1-3-second delays and limited concurrency to mimic human browsing and avoid blocks. Map each extracted field to a clear label and choose your output format, CSV, JSON, or Google Sheets. Once mapped, run a short test crawl to validate the rules and results. You should run a small test crawl first and inspect 10 to 50 rows to confirm field accuracy and completeness. Once satisfied, run the full extraction and export to your chosen format, then clean data in a spreadsheet or with a short script to remove duplicates and trim whitespace. If the crawler gets blocked or returns empty fields, try rotating proxies, reduce request speed, or refine selectors to handle dynamic content. This one troubleshooting step fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.